Hi, I'm Amber with WTI, and if you struggle with getting breakfast in the morning and actually eating something, this will be your new best friend. I have such a hard time eating breakfast in the morning, so I like to make myself a shake. There's no artificial colors, flavors, or sweeteners in here. Undenatured whey protein, which is really great because it comes directly from the milk protein versus a pasteurized, heated up source. It has active enzymes that aid in digestion, and of course it tastes delicious, because if you're having this on its own, you're gonna wanna make sure it tastes good. So it is nice and frothy and creamy, and it's just very flavorful, and it's just so delicious. Creamy French vanilla is exactly that. It's nice and creamy. It is definitely something you're gonna wanna reach for time and time again. So I just love it, and I know you will too, and that is my point of view.